Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can increase or decrease the bass on AirPods using your iPhone. Don't forget, dear friends, before watching this video, subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes, and also friends, write your comments. So, let us get started. If you've noticed that your AirPods or maybe you have other headphones you use and you don't get enough bass when you're listening to music or watching maybe some videos, then I'm going to show you how you can easily fix this with your iPhone. Open your settings, swipe down through them, go to the app. Now please find the music app. Open it up. Next, go to this option here. And if you need to increase your bass through your AirPods, click on this option here. And if you need to decrease it, then click Decrease. This way you can customize the different sound that will prevail on your headphones, including the bass. That's it, dear friends, you can quickly increase or decrease the bass on your AirPods headphones using your iPhone. I hope this video has helped you. Don't forget, dear friends, please put your likes and also be sure to subscribe to the channel. See you soon.